This is a weird start to a vlog, but it is the Oogie Boogie Bash, and we are going to take you along for all the fun, for the treat trails, for everything. So get ready for some fun and a little strange stuff too. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks for making the most of the Oogie Boogie Bash. So whether you are still going this year or thinking about going next year, you will know how to have an excellent evening at this awesome event. The event tickets let you enter California Adventure at 3 p.m. and the official party doesn't start until 6 p.m. So those first few hours are great if you want to hit a few attractions, grab some dinner so you don't spend time having to have a meal during the party, and getting ready for the first things you want to see during the party. You will get a wristband when you check into the party, so cast members will know you are part of this special event. Prior to the party, we grabbed dinner at Pim Test Kitchen, and then when 6 p.m. rolled around, we were ready for the treat trails. One of the most popular activities at the party is the trick-or-treat trails. This year, there are 11 different trails. Each trail has multiple candy stops, where cast members usually give you a couple pieces of candy each. 2 of the trails have just candy, and 9 of the trails are hosted by special villains. Happy Halloween!
How's your escape?
Remember me. Though I have to say goodbye.
Thank you!
Don't let it make you cry.
Thank you, Oogie Boogie.
Look at this. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh, okay.
What's your name?
Say again.
What's your name?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm a magnificent, marvelous Stan Malafin. Of course.
So nice to meet
The
you.
world's most powerful sorcerer.
Any amount of time around Wendy should join my side.
Man, he knows Mother knows best.
I thought I felt a breeze.
All right, step in. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
I appreciate that. I'll see ya. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Can you grab her and pump the class out there? She'll love it. She'll love it. Might be a little dry.
Oh, this is adorable. Oh,
I love you.
This is your sanctum, right?
Well, in another multiverse universe, yeah.
Oh, sure. What do you think of my redecorating?
Different, but
I like the part where I crushed up your ancient floor.
thank you. Take care of Sparky for us.
Oh, you got it.
You look strange.
Yes, clever. Where's Hannah?
Who cares?
Okay.
Probably back at home hanging with my parents, lame. She tries to tell me all the time, but mom never believes her. Because I'm the favorite.
Makes sense. There really is something magical about trick-or-treating in a Disney park, even as an adult. It makes you feel like a kid again. Plus, the actual kids really love it too. And look at all this candy I got. This is just from me. At the party, they also have a number of characters you can meet and greet throughout the night. We didn't wait in the line that was over an hour long for Minnie, Daisy, and Clarabelle dressed as the Sanderson sisters, but we did catch up with Tomater. and Mr. Knight from Moon Knight. Can I talk to you for a second first, and then my family will get a picture with you? Also, at this event you get free digital downloads of all the pictures taken by the PhotoPass photographers, so definitely make use of that. Next, one of the coolest and most unique activities at the party is Villains Grove, which is at the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail, and starts at sundown. While you won't meet any villains here, you will be in areas that are themed to villains and brought to life by projections, lighting effects, smoke, music. It's very cool. Here's just a taste of each of the areas. This really is such a cool experience. We recommend going through during the first parade of the night because lots of the people are watching the parade or enjoying the treat trail still at that point. We waited a little less than 10 minutes when we went to see it. I also recommend checking out the second parade of the night, which begins down by Paradise Gardens at 10 p.m. It is a very fun parade that starts off with the Headless Horseman as a pre-show. The actual parade lasts about 15 minutes, but it is loaded with characters, dancers, and villains. Here's just a taste of what you'll see.
In the woods of Sleepy Hollow, long, long ago, tiptoed Ichabod Crane.
Fun!
And if all of that isn't enough, the attractions throughout the park are open with reduced waits, including Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark, Luigi's Honkin' Halloween, and Meteor's Graveyard Jamboree. To end our night, we hopped on Web Slingers, which was only a 10-minute wait, which is awesome. We had an absolutely wonderful time at the Oogie Boogie Bash this year and would highly recommend it if you are visiting in September or October. But be aware the tickets for this event sell out fast. This year they actually sold out within about a week, and they usually go on sale in July. So we had an excellent time at the Oogie Boogie Bash. It was very, very fun. I am dead tired though. There was, in that 6 to 11, we fit so much in, but had such a good time. The cast members did an excellent job. Disneyland always does a great job with this event. I love the characters they have. I love the parade. I love all the treat trails. Just so fun. So fun to see my nephew trick-or-treating and me, and getting lots of nice comments about my costume. So, it was a very fun night, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go like and consider subscribing to the channel, because my hope is always to make your next Disney adventure a little bit more magical with tips and tricks, food reviews, and news. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all again real soon.